What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, and this is Massey. In this video I want to show you how to write the chemical formula or molecular formula of antimony 5 chloride. And we need to, as you see here, we have SbCl5 because it's 5 plus and we have Cl minus. And if you want to find the molar mass and molecular formula, molar mass or molecular weight of this antimony chloride, antimony 5 chloride, we need to write the atomic mass of Sp, which is 121.76, and chlorine is 35.45. So how many we have? We have 5, and the antimony we have 1. So it's going to be 121.76, and the other one is 35.45 times 5, which will be 177.25. So that's going to be 177.25 plus 121.76. That makes it as 299.01 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass or molecular weight of antimony 5 chloride. I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.